Okay, quiz 2.04, reasoning part 3, example 1. Which answers are examples of deductive reasoning? So we're going to select each correct answer. Remember, deductive has to be based on facts, not observations. Alright, so for the past 3 years, 4 inches of rain fell in October. Therefore, 4 inches of rain will fall this October. That's an observation, not deductive reasoning. Cade is a good dancer. Therefore, Cade's sister is a good dancer. Also, based on observation and opinion, not deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is based on facts. The diameter of a circle is 2 times the length of the radius of a circle. The radius of a circle is 12 feet, therefore the diameter is 24 feet, and that is based on fact. That's deductive. The park charges $2 for admission. Kayla is going to the park today, therefore she will spend $2 for admission to the park today. That's based on fact, deductive.